Want to change your name in eFootball, but you are not sure where to find the option? You have come to the right place. In this video, I will show you how to change your name in eFootball. If you want to update your in-game username, just follow these simple steps. First, open the eFootball app on your phone. Once you are at the home screen, tap on Extras in the top right corner. Here you will see your current in-game name. Simply tap on it. Now tap on your name again to edit it. Here enter the name you want to use. Make sure it's unique because if someone is already using the name, you won't be able to select it. If that happens, just try a different name. Once you are happy with your new name, tap Make Changes to save the name. That's it. Your new name will now be updated in eFootball. And that's how you can easily change your name in eFootball. If this video helped you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you.